I've used a lot of dog ball throwers, and this one is becoming my favorite. First off, let's unplug it. This one has rechargeable batteries, so you can plug it in at home, then take it with. The batteries are rechargeable. When you're ready to use it, it's got a front with a sensor, and it's got like a turret, and it's got these 4 legs, which make it very stable. It's a ball, and a lot of them just have a flat spot. This one makes it a very stable platform, and you'll see why that's important in a moment. Now we'll turn it on by just pushing this power button and holding it down. Pretty simple. We have 4 buttons here. We have the 3 distances, short, medium, and large. But you can also kind of go to this turbo boost and do the maximum 80-foot distance over here. For here, we'll just do the small one. Now this is to get it ready, but this button is kind of neat too, because this will activate the turret and shoot into a random direction. So we'll turn that option on. And now when it's ready to go, we'll throw a tennis ball in here, and it uses the standard size balls, so we can use a number of different options. And we'll drop the tennis ball into the top here, and we'll push the button to get it ready. And you'll see now it's going to randomly pick a direction to launch that tennis ball. Before it smacks into the camera though, we'll wave our hand in front, and the electronic eye will see that there's something standing in the way here, and it'll disengage. But if we didn't have somebody standing in the way, it would randomly shoot in the short distance, medium, large, and like we say, the extra large. Hope this helps.